Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen I'm going to be sharing with you all on how I make my homemade New York style cheesecake. This recipe is so simple and so easy to make, so if you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. First thing we're going to go ahead and do is start on our crust. In my bowl here I have a total of 2 cups of crushed graham crackers, and I have a half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to go in with a half a cup of melted butter, and it's basically 1 stick melted. We're going to go ahead and just give this a good mix. Now I have my 10-inch spring pan, and I have one of my circle liners in here. So we're going to go ahead and just add in our crust, and then just kind of smooth it out all around over the bottom. Just go ahead and just start pressing it in all over the bottom. Okay, so now that we got this done, we're going to go ahead and just set this to the side, and we are going to start on our filling. Okay, so in my bowl here I have 4 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that I brought to room temperature. So we're going to go ahead and just mix this until it becomes creamy and smooth. And I'm just adding in a half a cup of sour cream. So now I'm going to go in with my vanilla extract, and I'm going in with a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to go in with my eggs, and I'm going in with 4 eggs. I will post this recipe down below for you guys as well. And we're going to go ahead and add in our sugar. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I have my springform pan here that I am lining with aluminum foil, and I'm doing this because we need to get this into like a water bath, and to keep that water from going in through the bottom of the springform pan, you want to go ahead and just wrap your pan in aluminum foil. Go in with our filling. Okay, so now I got my cheesecake here into my cookie sheet, and we're going to go in with water. I have my oven set to it's been preheating on 325, and we want to bake this cheesecake for 1.5 hours. Okay, so here we are. Here my cheesecake is done. I had it cooking in the oven for a total of 1 hour and 40 minutes, and then I turned the stove off, and then I opened the door and let it sit in there for an hour. And when I cooked it, it was on 325. So for the questions and all that, guys, the oven was on 325. So now we need to go ahead and just let this sit overnight. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get my cheesecake out of the aluminum foil, and you can see it stayed dry. It stayed dry, and I'm really impressed. We are here. We're going to go ahead and look at that. My cheesecake turned out beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and get this into the fridge, and we need to let this sit overnight. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and work on my strawberry topping. In my bowl here I have 1 container of strawberries that I got chopped up, and you can see they're not too small, but I just kind of cut the strawberries in 4s. In my pot here I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we're going to go in with the gelatin, and this is strawberry gelatin, one package rather, that I'm going in with. And then I'm going to go in with water, and we're going to go ahead and get this on the stove and then bring it to a simmer. Okay, so here we are here, and it didn't take that long for everything to kind of come together. So now we're going to go in with our strawberries. Then I'm going to go ahead and just let this cool a little bit before I go on top of my cheesecake with it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of the sauce, not the strawberries just yet, but some of the sauce, and just kind of go over the top of my cheesecake. And then I'm going to do like a drip strawberry sauce, like going towards the sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to put the strawberries on top. But I'm not going to put too much because I don't want the sauce to kind of, you know, drip all the way down to the bottom. So now we're going to go ahead and go on top with our strawberries. And then I'm going to get this back into the fridge so that everything can pretty much set. Here we are here, guys. I told you I was going to leave it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. I only left it in the fridge for 2 hours, okay? And as you guys can see, it has set beautifully. So I'm going to go ahead and cut you guys a piece of my cheesecake. And here we are here, guys. I went on ahead, cut you a piece. You guys see I cut my daughter a piece. But you guys can see this turned out beautiful. It's rich, very rich, creamy. It is so good. You guys definitely have to give this cheesecake a try. So that is it for our video, guys. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you guys try this cheesecake, please tag me in it on Instagram. Take photos, tag me, all of that good stuff. Because I promise you, if you guys follow my recipe exactly, which will be down below for you to get, you will get the same results as I got. So that's it. If you like what you saw, give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys enjoy the rest of your evening and you take care. Bye.